We are from Rotary Club of Mapsa. I'm Rotarian Abhijit Walke, Club President. Today we have started this vaccination drive of about 18 years of age in Mapsa, in Saraswat Vidyalaya, Kurlim. And this is an ongoing project of Rotary Club of Mapsa and Rotary Club of Mapsa with the help of Director of Health Service. And today is opening day, and we are thankful to our Honorable MLA Joshua D'Souza and our district governor for the next year, Rotarian Gauri Stone. We are very much thankful to them for their cooperation. आणि दोन ठिकाणी इन म्हापसा आमचे वॅक्सिनेशन ड्राईव्ह सुरू जातले इन फ्यू डेज. अँड नाव रिक्वेस्ट अवर chairman for this project, Rotarian Sachin Menshe, to say a few words and brief about this project.
Yeah, the purpose of starting this project is, like, everybody is doing their own bit of in fighting this pandemic against COVID. So what we thought of the best way to fight against this, COVID is to get maximum people vaccinated. So that's why we approached the health department and concerned department, government departments, and requested them to give us 2-3 centers so that we can organize and start with the maximum vaccination. So along with this, our only aim is to get spread the awareness for all the people to get vaccinated. And second, our mission is to find eligible plasma donors, contacting each councillors to spot for plasma donors in the respective wards and motivate to come forward and donate the plasma. So these are two main objectives of this camp. Thank you.
Joshua, the doctors from the health department MAPSA, my colleagues, the management of Saraswat College, and dear friends who have come here for vaccination, the younger one. So first, congratulations to the Rotary Club of MAPSA and Rotaract and all those who have been involved here for having started this COVID center, vaccination center here. It's a need of an hour. We need to see that a maximum people have been vaccinated. And thanks to the great warriors like doctors and the nursing staff and everybody who are connected today to make people aware and vaccinate them. Thank you, doctor, for all your support. And we request you, those who have come here to vaccinate themselves today, please go home and tell your neighbors, friends that they have to log in and get yourself vaccinated, because that only can be a shield between the COVID and basically the infection and yourself.
Happy to see this, association of the Rotaries, the Rotaract, the Honorable MLA and the Incident Commander present over here at the launching of the vaccination for the age group between 18 to 44. My sincere thanks, first of all, goes to the Honorable MLA for taking maximum effort. He has worked very hard towards this. All these days he's been, inquiring about the arrangements and helping us to get this thing done, and especially arrangement of, and in many ways he has been of great help to me and to our urban health center. Secondly, I would like to express my gratitude to the Rotaries, Rotary, Rotaract, and Mr. Gauri Stone, Mr. Mense, for their unstinted support. They have been here and I think done a lot of work in getting the center ready. Not to forget the Saraswat Vidyalaya, the management, Mr. Buriye and his team, they have been excellent, really. They have always supported us, they have always been there, and at any point of time, whatever help we require and whatever we have needed at any point of time, he was always there, Mr. Buriye especially, and Mr. Rupesh Kamath. He has volunteered and helped us.
COVID vaccination center from the age groups of 18 to 44 under the spearheaded by the Directorate of Health Services, MAPSA, with Dr. Cheryl, also supported by the Rotary and Rotary Club of MAPSA, with the help of the President, Baba Abhijit Walke, Bab Shreyas Kavlekar. The same way we have DG Bab Gauri Stone with us here today. Also Chief Officer Glenn Madeira, management of Saraswat, Bab Rupesh Kamath and Bab Ramnath Buriye, the entire team of the health services, the entire team of Rotary and Rotrack, and all the people that are taking the vaccine today for the first batch. I would like to thank everybody for all their support and coordination for this center. We also have 2 more centers that are going to be launched within this coming days, but that we decided to start with the first center that was ready here first, that's Saraswat Vidyalaya. And with this I would like to launch today's event.